Bill's out here tilling this ditch, loosen it up so he can throw the dirt. What we want to do, get it a little bit lower and then across the fence, so the gravity will pull it on down all the way to the front yard.
I should have been doing this in the winter time.
Yeah.
But riding horses is more important.
It is important.
Yeah, that's right.
You bet.
I'll clean it back up in the winter, I think.
Yeah, that looks
It'll
good.
Be better than out here in 100 degrees.
Yeah. I like it.
Pile
Yeah,
sticks and ladders.
my
I'm
stuff.
gonna restock that, but I'm gonna need some of them bricks when I do that.
That shed.
That little shed there.
That looks good.
I'm doing that about an hour and a half. Them blackberries are drying out.
Oh, are they? We need rain so much. Everything's drying up.
I already had it on there an hour and I put it about 30 minutes more.
This plum tree is doing good.
The peaches are not doing very good.
Yeah. I hope they'll be okay.
It's been so dry. And I widened my thing out here.
Yeah, I like that.
When it does come in, I should have been doing it all along. I don't know how I didn't think of it.
Yeah. But that ditch water will fill it up.
Yeah.
That's good.
And I plucked the ends off of these blackberries too.
Oh, well, that's good.
It's muddy right there. You better watch it.
Yeah, I'm watching it. Today I'm going to raise the fence up on this. The chickens keep jumping over. And so she's hunting. I'm going to put that up a little higher. Working here. They keep getting in this bed, and I do got my tomatoes covered, but so far they hadn't gotten that black tub. And I'm going to cut this willow out, and they get into this, squash it down and peck the food, so I'm going to take this away, put it somewhere else.
Oh, it wasn't too bad. I thought that was going to get real heavy.
It did feel heavy though. Yeah, the chicken's just tearing that up, so move it out here. Take it to the safe place. Well, Bill, he brought that pot in here for me, and I think he'll do better because the chickens get in there, eat it, and scratch it, tear it up. I got turnips in there. I was planning on taking them out and planting them, and I still might, but let them get some rest. And I got some green beans coming up. We've been watering it because we're not getting no rain. And it's overcast today, so I hope we get something coming in. But I haven't heard nothing. And when we get rain, it just makes the plants so much better. And I got a lot of other plants I need to transplant. And get that done. What are you doing? Are you hunting? You need to hunt. Right in that spot, I had a nice, pretty sweet potato. It was about like this, coming up, all the leaves, and it's gone. So yesterday we come out, and I seen a rat running through here. And he went behind this thing, and Belle could smell him, but she couldn't get back behind it. So we're thinking about taking a crowbar and try to push that out. He might be living underneath this, made him a cave or something underneath this and living there. But he ate my sweet potato. It was doing so good. Oh well. I don't like that. That's too bad. Yeah, I like to do that. He said we might go ahead and try to move that over. That way Belle can get behind there. And he's thinking on these shelves, because he's getting ready to build shelves, that we can use them for drying racks in there. Or the onions or something. So we might have to think about that. Oh, you got a bar? Okay. They play loud. What do you want me to do?
Nothing right now. I'll see if I can scoot it. I might be able to pick it up and scoot it.
If the dirt don't fall out.
No, I'm not going to raise it that far. There goes a hole under there.
Well, maybe you need to get out a little farther.
I don't think. She can get in there, I think.
Belle?
Wait a minute.
Huh? Well, yeah, she can get back behind it now.
Okay.
That's good. Where is it, Belle? Stick it, Belle. Well, we threw some pepper behind there, so she might be smelling that. Belle, get that mouse right there. Get the mouse. Get the mouse, Belle.
All right, come on.
Thank you. See what's going on. I'm glad to see all this tin done.
Yeah. It's about 77 in here.
Yeah, he's got the thermometer. We're testing
The humidity's high. It's 45%.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Well, it's supposed to rain today. Humidity's going up.
Well, with no windows, look how dark it gets.
Yeah.
It's pretty dark.
All right.
Well, the sun's coming out. Getting hot. I hope the heat will build. And I hope we get some rain. I don't know. I'm working on this side. I want to raise the fence over here. And fix it up. Try to keep the chickens out. What you got there, Belle? Is that a mouse hole? She's really busy. Well, I'll get ready to go on in. I got the wire up and just see how it goes. I got some clever chickens. Well, I gotta go fix lunch. Thanks for watching. I'm out West Homestead. And I need to cut, and I might do that, cut some cactus. The chicken is eating some cactus. There wasn't green stuff. And I don't like this cactus get too out of hand. I like to keep it cut back and feed it to the donkeys. So I might do that. But look what Belle got. Is that yours? Is that your mouse? Oh my gosh, I gotta go show Belle. Well, we do give Belle a cookie when she catches something. And I guess that's what she's waiting for. So how about that?
Come here.
Look what Belle caught.
Boy, that's a good one.
Oh, I'm going to drop it though, it's slippery. Yeah.
Where at?
Out there by the cane.
That's what she's been after out there.
Yeah.
I thought she was after lizards, but she was after that rat.
Yeah. Maybe it's the one that come in here. Could. Anyway, I'm going to go throw it away.
We need about 10 more bales.
We do. Where is she? Yeah, I'll show Daddy your mouse. She don't know rat, but she knows mouse. If only Sonny would catch one. Is that yours? You worked hard for that, didn't you? Good girl. Poor Ben. Has to put it up with a whippersnapper. Well, threw out some cane. And the horses come around. Here comes Annie. And she finds it. Yeah, y'all better hurry up. Hurry up, Gus. That's good. Little snack this morning. Well, it's starting to rain. Yay! Oh, I hope we get a good rain. Bill's got all them waterways pretty well cleaned up. Oh, I'm so glad to see this. We need it so bad. Now we'll just have to wait and see what it does. The horses, they took shelter. Let's see, there's Nazine. They're in the barn. I hope it keeps it up. Well, thanks for watching. Bye. And it smells good. It smells like dust and rain.